Everything explained in this video is summarized from the CoinMarketCap. And also, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for future XRP news and some other cryptocurrency news in general. Now, take a look at this. XRP lawyer predicts timeline for Remedies phase ruling. A lawsuit brought by the SEC against Ripple has reached a crucial stage, and the Remedies phase is currently ongoing. The cryptocurrency community is keeping a careful eye on the case. Fred Rispoli, a lawyer who advocates for XRP, has generated a great deal of attention by anticipating a ruling date. This comes amid several motions that are still pending and potential appeals, all of which have the potential to have a significant influence on the formation of legislation governing cryptocurrencies. A lawyer has revealed an important date regarding the RippleSec lawsuit decision. Fred Rispoli, an attorney who supports XRP, shared his expectations on social media, stating that his hope for a verdict on the Remedies phase on July 31 is decreasing. I'm running out of time to hit my 7/31 prediction for the Remedies ruling. XRP, he wrote in his post, an increasing amount of impatience and speculation can be seen within the XRP community, which is reflected in this comment. While this is going on, the complaint against Ripple filed with the SEC has recently acquired speed, and Judge Annalisa Torres is currently deciding on penalties and injunctions. As July comes to a close without any notable developments, a final ruling is anticipated to be issued possibly in August. Given the extremely high stakes involved, legal professionals believe that there will be swift appeals following the decision of the court. Rispoli had earlier stated that the issue would be decided on July 13. However, the matter has been delayed, and the final decision is currently being anticipated to be made this week. Given Ripple's several victories, wealth advisor Mikkel and other observers believe that the SEC's case against Ripple is one of the weakest cases it has ever brought against the cryptocurrency. Nevertheless, both parties may still file appeals against decisions made in the past. The legal battle, which was already somewhat complicated, is further complicated by the likelihood of this happening. Additionally, several motions are currently awaiting resolution. These motions include those that pertain to expert evidence, document unsealing, and final judgment. It has been suggested by several legal commentators, including Fred Rispoli and James Murphy, that Judge Torres might decide to bypass the motions that are being considered by Judge Sarah Netburn and instead issue a definitive ruling in the Remedies phase by the end of July or August. The specialists who were involved in the litigation against the SEC brought by Ripple stressed the wider implications of the SEC's actions, which fueled speculation in the cryptocurrency market. The SEC's position in subsequent cases involving cryptocurrencies may be weakened if it does not appeal. Since Ripple generates a large amount of revenue from XRP-OD sales, the company may file an appeal against the ruling that its seal sales or securities offers. There is no reason for Ripple and its supporters to be concerned about the judgment that Judge Torres has made about sanctions. The phrasing of the injunction, on the other hand, will be extremely important because it will have a direct impact on the business operations of Ripple. This decision is highly anticipated by the XRP community, which is frequently referred to as the XRP army. They are expecting a positive ruling that might potentially strengthen XRP's position in the market. The joint status answer that was recently submitted to the United States District Court for the District of Columbia sheds light on the ongoing legal processes that are now being carried out. This document provides an overview of the discussions that took place regarding the various penalties and possible injunctions, as well as the likelihood of appeals, to ensure that every facet of the case is thoroughly investigated before a final decision is made. This all-encompassing strategy is utilized. The payments-focused XRP tokens surpassed Bitcoin, Ether, and the broad-based coin DES20 index during the Asian trading hours. This was due to the optimism of traders, which propelled the token to the forefront of the market. As a result of a significant scheduled token unlock and heightened optimism for a resolution of the long-running SEC Ripple case, the price of XRP has jumped by 7% in 24 hours, reaching over 64 cents. This is the highest point since March 25, because the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, intends to amend its complaint against the cryptocurrency exchange Binance, including about third-party crypto asset securities. The judge will most likely not be required to decide whether 10 tokens, such as Solana Sol and Polygon's Matic, are unregistered securities just yet. This was revealed in a filing that was made on Tuesday. Traders are seeing the file as a hint that the legal conflict between the SEC and Ripple Labs, which the regulator claims issued XRP may be coming to a close. This is, even though the document did not name any particular token, it is not possible to use Ripple and XRP substitutes. XRP is an autonomous digital asset that may be used for a variety of purposes, including online payments and currency swaps. Ripple, on the other hand, is a financial technology business that is focused on developing a global payments network. As part of a predetermined unlock timetable, Ripple is planning to release 1 billion XRP in the month of August. This would be equivalent to $641 million at the current price of XRP. A growing body of data reveals that increasing the number of tokens on the market could potentially accelerate an existing bullish market trend due to improved liquidity. This is even though the principle of increasing the supply of tokens would logically result in a price decrease. The demand for XRP is mostly driven by South Korea, according to market statistics provided by CoinGecko. Comparatively, the volume of the Binance XRP ST trading pair reached $352 a mile. The volume of the XRP one trading pair reached $386 million. South Korean traders are notorious in the cryptocurrency community for their tendency to promote euphoric rallies on tokens, which in turn contribute to buying pressure and may have an effect on prices. At the beginning of July, the trading activity of XRP on local exchanges surpassed that of the typical leaders, Bitcoin and Ethereum stablecoins. This was a contributing factor in the token's 20 increase in value. As reported by Bitcoinist at the beginning of Tuesday morning, the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC) modified its lawsuit against Binance, the largest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. The amendment particularly altered the classification of 10 cryptocurrencies, including Solana, Cardano, Polygon, and Cosmos, which were formerly considered to be securities. Read more about this here. Within the context of the global adoption race, research firm specializing in Bitcoin game theory has made a prediction. A 20-hour ago, in response to this new development, Ripple's chief executive officer, Brad Garlinghouse, emphasized the Securities and Exchange Commission's perceived hypocrisy in the classification of cryptocurrency tokens and its administration of cryptocurrency regulations over the past year, which was overseen by Chair Gary Gensler. In his criticism of the Securities and Exchange Commission, Garlinghouse pointed out what he considers to be a lack of clarity in the consistent application of rules, which may be indicative of political objectives or questionable litigation strategies. Garlinghouse stated that there was a lack of loyal allegiance to the law. In addition, Stuart Alderety, the chief legal officer of Ripple, weighed in on the subject and pointed out obvious contradictions between the lawsuits that include Binance and the cryptocurrency exchange Coinbase, which were both initiated around the same time in the fourth quarter of 2023. The information that has been provided is not intended to be trading advice. There is no responsibility for any investments that are made based on the information that is provided on this page. Before making any decision about investments, we strongly advise conducting independent research and have consulting with a knowledgeable professional.